Hey and welcome to this new video of mastering Git and GitHub. In this video we will learn how to delete a branch and also a repository. We already know how to delete a branch in local. We just put command git checkout -g for delete and after that the name of the branch. But this command will just delete it in local, but it will always stay in our repository or in our Git repository. So now we will learn how to delete a branch from our local machine, and it will be deleted also in the repository or in our Git repository. Now, but first let's see how many branches we have in the repository. So we have example, master and update. Let's delete update. So we will use the command git push origin and the two dots. This two dots that mean delete in our repository, and after that we just write the name of the branch. It's update. Update. Yeah. Now if we click enter, this update branch will be deleted from our repository or from our GitHub repository. So now if we refresh this page, and after the refresh let's see the branch we got. We just have the master and the example, and update, it's been deleted. We deleted from our local, and it's deleted also in server or in a repository. That's mean the Git repository. So that's be all for this video. See you soon.